for 4 removal bracing.
No, don't show that.
I'll edit that out.
No, don't show that.
It realistically.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man? I don't even know what's in here.
Pink something.
How much do you have?
Like 1,000 pennies.
Fours, okay. Nice.
Which sucks ass.
Did you bring yours today? Yeah, I have it right over there. Yes, sir. I'm just looking. Is that all right? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say it was a little weak, but I think they do a demo on my team, and that's what I was doing different.
Honestly, that is like very weak because that's like 27 watts.
I know, I mean, can imagine.
And it's
Pretty big.
it realistically.
Is this? I got a question. Is this metal bracing here? Is that like a removal panel for the loading wall, or what is
Well,
that?
it's metal bracing for 4 removal bracing.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, because there wasn't a good way to like add the brake or add the port wall.
Yeah.
So I put the metal bracing there.
Got it. Okay. That was something I've never seen before, so I had to be. I was
It
curious.
was like, how do I do it?
Yeah. And that's a good idea, actually. I like it. Sweet. Are you cooling off, or can I get a demo? Oh, your voltage is a little low, yeah.
Well, no, the voltage sucks ass.
I can't
It
believe
does.
how efficient that thing is.
Yeah.
Next vicious. Jacob, you're gonna make some faces on this video.
No, he won't.
Oh, I've seen him do it before.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Josh Skipper, 4 NSV4s and 4 Cab 45s.
Cab 45s, okay. Are these 1 ohm or half ohm each, or 0.3, or where you at?
0.4.
0.4, okay.
Nice.
Oh, that's metal?
Yeah.
Wow. Did some good fab work on this. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Josh's system. Really solid fabrication work on this loading wall. So shout out to you, man. You did a really good job, as well as everybody. Give him a thumbs up if you haven't already, as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive. I really like the way he talked about his fabrication work on this loading wall. This is a front loading wall where his port's on the right driver's side of his vehicle. This is a 4th order bandpass enclosure. The motors are inverted so he has better cooling. He can smell the subs, and it just looks nicer, and whatever else you would like to say about that. And on the back end, really nice amplifier rack. I didn't see where all his battery bank was, so I don't know how much lithium or alternator power he's running. But I know in the demo at the end, you'll see he has some voltage issues, and he wanted to make sure y'all knew that. So shout out to you. We're about to get to this bass demo. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Shout out to everybody watching my daily videos.
Batteries are not. No, don't show that.
I'll edit that out.
No, don't show that.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.